Welcome to Beauty Garage. I'm Chris Dale, and today I'm going to be detailing this Ford Focus. It's pretty dirty on the outside and definitely on the inside. Could very well use an in-depth little detail on this thing. So I hope you enjoy, and let's get to it.
The battle was far from over.
Now it's time for Sponsor Chair. Today's video is sponsored by The Rag Company. They're a locally owned business here in Boise, Idaho. We use their products in all of our detailing videos. They make high quality microfiber towels and a wide assortment of other products that you can find in the link below. All right, guys, the detail on this Ford Focus is completed. The interior and exterior look way better than they did. The aerospace protectant on the dash and door panels made the black really pop. The seats came out really nice. The interior looks almost brand new. I hope you enjoyed. Stay tuned for the next one. Peace. Hey everyone, if you want to watch more detailing videos, go on ahead and click the sponge and spray bottle right there. And if you want to watch more modification videos, click the wheel and wrench right there. And remember, stay beautiful.